walk your dog, play basketball. I mean, there's so many things you can
Buy
do.
a dog. Walk your dog.
Yeah, don't steal a dog and then walk it.
Yeah.
What's the name of our channel?
Hey, fitness fans. Welcome to Talking Pains Roundtable, where we answer questions you asked.
Mm-hmm.
This question comes to us by my cousin Marissa. Thank you.
Thank you.
What is the question?
Today we are figuring out advice for beginners for exercising by themselves.
Oh. Okay. Listen to your body. That's actually the greatest advice I can ever give.
Yeah.
You know your body better than anybody. Sarah once asked me when we were exercising in the gym, should she be doing more weight?
Mm-hmm.
And I told her, I don't know. I cannot be the person to answer that question.
Yeah.
I can look at her face and kind of gear whether something's too heavy or too light, but I will not be the one to be able to tell you, anybody, whether you should or should not be doing an exercise, because I can't feel what you're feeling.
Right.
I know what a good and bad pain feels like, but I cannot convey that to a person. It's like trying to tell a blind person what the color red looks like.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't work. Unless they've seen the color red, they're not going to know what it looks like.
Yeah.
So unless you felt the pain, unless you've exercised...
and you realize... So for some people, well, even for myself, starting out, I would do a weight, like have a certain weight that I was using for that exercise. The next day, I might not be sore at all. So that's a good indicator for me that I did a weight that was lighter than what I probably should have done or used. That I could have increased the weight. And I've done this, I've used a weight that was way too heavy.
Way too heavy.
During the exercise, it was fine. The next day and day after that, so for like 3 days, I was in a lot of soreness. That is a good indicator that I pushed myself way too hard in that exercise. So sometimes it's a little bit of a trial and error. You kind of have to go through the
trials and tribulations.
Yeah. You have to figure out for yourself where your starting point even is. And that can be really tricky in the beginning.
So what I would say is, to answer the question directly, my advice, my personal advice is just do something. Just get up, find a sport you like, this is supposed to be geared for how do you start exercising by yourself, but start doing something which you enjoy.
Right.
And find motivation doing it.
Mm-hmm.
So the best advice I can give is, when I would watch shows, a way to exercise while watching a show is I'd ride my bike, my stationary bike. And I'd do that for 45 minutes to an hour. And that was my motivation, because I'm not thinking about what I'm actually doing. I'm watching the show. I'm paying attention to the show.
Mm-hmm.
Now, by the time you get to around the hour mark, it's a little harder to keep paying attention.
You're getting tired.
Because I'm getting tired.
Yeah.
But if you start out slow, maybe you're just doing a leisurely walk on a treadmill or a leisurely ride. There's a reason why they have TVs and monitors and things at the gym while you're exercising.
To help distract you.
Yes, because anything which can distract you from what you're currently doing, as long as you're still performing the exercise in a safe way, is great.
Yeah.
So start out slow.
Yeah.
Go from there.
Right. And then build.
And build. Don't go too hard too quickly, because you can hurt yourself.
Mm-hmm.
For instance,
right.
There is a disease called rhabdo. It's short for something, I can't remember the actual full name.
It's like rhabdomyolysis, I think.
Something like that. Where if you exercise too quickly, too fast, because you're used to exercising. So if you've been exercising, you take maybe a year break, you come back, you start exercising hard again, and you don't ramp up and get used to the exercises again, your muscles can produce a protein which your kidneys cannot filter quick enough, and it can be deadly to you.
Mm-hmm.
So listen to your body. Don't go too hard too quickly.
I would say for beginners, just start off slow. Like maybe do every other day
That's a good one.
for 1-2 weeks, and then as your body gets more used to the exercises, then you can start adding in additional days.
We have, if you're watching this video, I maybe you've seen it. We have a 4-week fitness challenge, which is just 6 minutes a day. So that's a great place to start.
Yep.
If you want to just get into exercising. No equipment needed, just your body weight, 6 minutes a day. That's it.
Yeah, I would definitely say for beginners, don't fall into the trap of I need to go out and buy a Peloton bike.
You don't.
Or I need to go out and buy a full rack of dumbbells.
You don't. Start out with body weight exercises.
Yeah. There's always something you can do if you don't have anything from a gym. If
you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Let us know how much you like this video. And hit that notification bell. Get our latest updates.